Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic Coin. Now, Binance, no one is selling on Binance. There have been more buy and more staking on Binance. Binance are fully ready. Binance are not giving up. No one is selling. It's a good one to see that people are actually staking more. And I believe very soon the staking is going to hit over 1 trillion coins, and people have also been buying more on Binance recently. Even though I know that due to the burning of Terra Classic, Binance are the only one burning. Very soon we'll be seeing other exchanges start burning like Binance. Binance are fully ready. They are not going anywhere. They are fully ready to keep supporting Terra Classic. CZ is fully there. Remember, CZ himself also owns Terra Classic coins, so they want to see this coin hit 1 cent or even $1. They will keep promoting Terra Classic. Binance have come out to say they will keep pushing, they will keep promoting Terra Classic coin, and they believe that this coin this year 2023 is going to be one of the biggest coins. And for me, Binance can do that. Just 2 days ago, they were able to burn over 8 billion coins. Last time they were able to burn 20 billion coins, and in total Binance have burned about 29 billion coins, and Terra Classic community has burned over 48 billion coins. Now more burn will be coming in, and I believe that if we can burn at least fully 1 trillion coins this year 2023. I mean, I'm not talking about staking, I'm talking about burning 1 trillion coins this year. This coin can hit 1 cent before the end of the year. There's a possibility that Terra Classic can hit such level, but for now Binance have come out openly to say no one is worth. The amount of people that are selling is much lower than the amount of people that are buying. So it's a good one to see that people are actually buying more than selling off their Terra Classic, according to Binance. And last time it was Coinbase we talked about, because we believe very soon Coinbase will be listing Terra Classic, and when that happens, we are going to record more buy, more community, more wallet to be created. So I'm happy to see that this coin, many people are rather buying, some are staking rather than selling, because people believe that Terra Classic coin is going to rise, it's going to increase in price, and by the time this coin increases in price, you will be seeing a very high price, very high market cap. And I believe one day this is going to keep, this is going to hit 1 cent, which so many Terra Classic holders will be smiling. So many Terra Classic holders will be making a lot of money with Terra Classic coin. But for now, I remember, if you want to buy, you buy what you can afford to lose. But the major good news is that Binance have come out to say no one is selling. The amount of people selling is very small compared to the amount of people that are buying and people that are staking. I'm happy to hear this, and it's a good news for me and for Terra Classic community.